So today we're looking at the Kasa Smart Switch. It's a Wi-Fi plug. This is a slim. This was the Reader's Choice from PC Magazine a number of years ago. It works with Google as well as Alexa and SmartThings. So this is a pretty popular smart plug. It's one of the best-selling ones on Amazon. Let's open it up and see what we think of it. So, initial impressions, pretty straightforward. It's a smart plug. I mean, pretty much has one purpose. Though I will say, if this is the slim smart plug, I would hate to see what the regular size is, because this is a pretty good size. Don't get me wrong, it's not too large, but I don't think I'd want it to be any bigger than this. Pretty quick setup instructions, which you would expect. Pretty much all you need for something like this is to download the app, turn it on, set it up, and then connect it to whatever smart home services you're using. So for this, we're going to be connecting it to an Alexa. So we'll set that up real quick and tell you what we think. So we have this all set up with our Alexa. It's working great so far. Alexa, turn on the schoolroom lights.
Okay.
There we go. Alexa, turn off the schoolroom lights.
Okay.
Okay, so there you have it, the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim. It's UL listed. It works with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings. So it's a pretty versatile plug. I mean, it's a little bulky. It's not going to fit in every spot that you may want to put it, but for most applications, this is going to work great. You're going to be really happy with it. It's easy to set up, and it will work great with your smart home. So this has been Becky with Egghead Fixers. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to hit the like button. That helps us to know if we should keep more content like this coming. And for more videos, please consider following our channel. I hope you enjoyed this review. This is Becky signing off.